Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you all are doing good. I am your science teacher of grade 7. Students, open your books, page number 13. In previous class we were discussed the difference between breathing and respiration. Today we are going to attempt question related to that topic. Question is question number 6. Differentiate between breathing and respiration. What is the difference between breathing and respiration? For this purpose, open your notebook. First of all, write day. Day is Tuesday. Date is 14 July 2020. Question is differentiate between breathing and respiration. Question is differentiate between breathing and respiration. Answer is breathing. What is breathing? First point, it is a physical process involving exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Breathing, it is a physical process involving exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Second point, energy is not released. Energy is not released. Third point, it takes place outside the cell. It takes place outside the cell. Fourth is in breathing enzymes are not involved. In breathing enzymes are not involved. Fifth point is breathing is a voluntary action. Breathing is a voluntary action. Then give heading of respiration. It is a chemical process. It is a chemical process involving oxidation of glucose to carbon dioxide and water. Energy is released. In respiration, energy is released. Third point, it takes places within the cell. It takes places within the cell. Fourth point, respiratory enzymes take part in respiration. Respiratory enzymes take part in respiration. Last point is respiration is an involuntary action. Respiration is an involuntary action. It's enough for today. Thank you students. Have a nice day.